Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel. Today I will show you how to make a round coaster and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please can you subscribe and share and like. I will use Elise Burcom yarn and hook number 3.5 millimeter. I will start with round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now. Then I'll make 3 chains. Then make 19 double crochet inside that magic ring as shown now. I finished round 1, then I will start with round 2. I will change color to red and make 3 chains as shown now. Then make double crochet into next stitch. Then make 2 chains and make double crochet into next stitch. As shown now. Then make double crochet again into next stitch. And make 2 chains. Then I will repeat with same sequences across that row. I finished round 2 and I'll start round 3. I change color to green and make slip stitch into same stitch. Then I will make another slip stitch into second chain or second stitch and make 3 chains as shown now. Then make double crochet into first chain of 2 chains from previous row, then make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet into second chain of 2 chains from previous row as shown now. Then skip 2 double crochet and make 2 double crochet into first chain of 2, that is second double crochet, and make 2 chains and repeat making 2 double crochet into second chain of 2 from previous row. Then I will repeat with same sequences across the row. I finished round 3 and I start round 4. I will change color to red and make single crochet into that stitch, then make 8 double crochet into that space, that is second double crochet, and that is third double crochet, and that is fourth double crochet, and that is fifth double crochet, that is sixth double crochet, and seventh double crochet, and that is last double crochet into that space with the shape. Then I will make single crochet into that space, then repeat again 8 double crochet into that space, then I will repeat with same sequences across the row. I finished that motif, or you can use a coaster with that shape. Then I will cut and fasten off our yarn. Now I finished the project and I hope to admire you. Please, if you admire you, could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me any question and I will reply you immediately. Thanks for watching.